Falcon versus bald eagle, who rules the sky? Let's settle this in 60 seconds. Meet the Peregrine Falcon, fastest animal alive. Dive speed, 240 miles per hour. A feathered missile. Bald eagle, massive wingspan, 100 miles per hour dive, powerful predator. And America's symbol. Falcon equals speed. Eagle equals strength. In a race, Falcon wins. In a fight, Eagle dominates. But they rarely fight. Each rules their own skies, one fast and fierce, the other bold and brave. Which one's your favorite? Bald eagle or Peregrine Falcon? Like, comment, and follow for more animal battles.